Okay. So next example now, x square by 4 plus y square by 25 is equal to 1 here. Then comparing this equation with comparing this equation with x square divided by a square plus y square divided by b square is equal to 1 here. This is the standard equation of the ellipse here. A square is equal to 4 and b square is 25 here. Then a value 2 and b value is 5 here. Then obviously in this case a is less than b. A value 2, b value 5, a less than b. Therefore the ellipse is in this direction here, like this. Means y-axis becomes a major axis, x-axis becomes a minor axis here. Okay. Therefore length of the major axis is 2b, b value 5 here. Therefore 5 2s are 10 here. Length of the minor axis, a value 2, 2 2s are 4. And the eccentricity is given by 1 minus of a square is 4 here. And b square is 25. 25 ones are 25. 25 minus 4 becomes 21 here. 21 divided by 25. Therefore, eccentricity is root of 21 divided by 5. This is the eccentricity here. Therefore, foci is given by here. Foci lies on y-axis here. So x coordinate are 0 here. 0 plus or minus b here. So 0 here. Then plus or minus b into e. You know b value 5 here. B value 5. So 5 into this one. 5 cancels. Remaining is root of 21 here. Then 2 a square by b is the length of the letter sector here. 2 into here a square value is 4 here divided by b value is 5. Then 4 2s are 8 divided by 5 here. Then the equations of letter or recta y is equal to plus or minus b. You know b into e is the root of 21 here. So plus or minus root of 21 here. And our equations of directrices are y is equal to plus or minus b upon e. Therefore, plus or minus here b value 5 here. This is 5 and e value is this one here. 5 goes to numerator. 5 5s are 25. So 25 divided by root of 21 here. Is the equations of directrices here. Coordinates of ends of letter or recta. 4 parts are there. So plus or minus. A square by b. A square is 4, b value 5. So plus 4 upon 5 plus or minus 4 divided by 5. b into e value is root of 21 here. And plus or minus 4 divided by 5 and minus of root of 21 here. Minus root of 21. Distance between foci here. So therefore 2 into b. You know b into e is the root of 21 here. So 2 root of 21. And this is equal to here 2 into b is 5. E value this root of 21 by 5. 5 goes to numerator here. 5 5s are 25. So 25 divided by root of 21 here. Then 25 2s are 50 here. 50 divided by root of 21 here. This gives a distance between directrices. So comparing a given equation with the standard equation of the ellipse here. So a square is 25 and b square is 100. Then root of 25 is a 5 and root of 100 is a 10 here. Then obviously A is less than B here. Therefore, length of the major axis is 2 into B. B value 10 here, 10 to the 20. A value 5, 5 to the 10 here. Then the 1 minus of A square is 25 divided by B square is 100 here. 100 ones are 100 minus 25 becomes 75 divided by 100 here. Then the eccentricity E is equal to you can take here root of 75 is 25 into 3 here. And the root of 100 means 10 square here. Then it's a square root here. It is 5 root of 3 divided by 10 here. 5 ones are 5 twos are cancels here. So root 3 divided by 2 here. Root 3 divided by 2. Okay. 75 is 25 to 3 and 100 is the 10 square here. Okay. Root of 25 is 5 into root 3 and the root of 10 square is only 10 here. 5 ones of 5 2 cancels root 3 divided by 2. Eccentricity is root 3 divided by 2 here. Then 2 into A square by B is the length of the data sector here. So 2 into A square value of 25 divided by B value is 10 here. Therefore this is equal to 5 5s are 25. Then 5 2s are 10 here. This is 2 cancels. Then length of the letter sector is 5 here. So next equations of letter sector. Letter y equal to plus or minus b. So therefore plus or minus b into here. So 0 plus or minus b into e. B value is 10 here. And e value is this one. 2 ones are 2 5s are 5 root 3 here. It is a 5 root 3 because b value 10 here. Okay. So 10 into this one. 2 ones are 2 5s are cancels 5 root 3. Therefore b is the 5 root 3 here plus or minus 5 root 3 here. And equations of a direct axis here plus or minus b upon e. B value 10 here. It is a 10. E value is this one. 2 goes to numerator. So 20 divided by root of 3. 20 by root 3. Then the coordinates of ends of the letter sector here. So plus or minus A square is 25. So write here 25 divided by B value is 10 here. So it is a 10 comma B into E is 5 root 3. It is a 5 root 3 here. Can cancel 5 5s are 5 2s are. Therefore plus or minus 5 divided by 2 and 5 root 3. And here also plus or minus 5 divided by 2 minus of 5 root 3 minus 5 root 3. So these are the ends of the letter sector, coordinates of ends of the letter sector. Distance between foci. So B into E is 5 root 3 here, 5 2s are 10 here. So 10 root of 3. Distance between direct axis 2 into 10. Okay. So 2 into 10 divided by root 3 by 2 here. Root 3 by 2. 2 goes to numerator, 2 to the 4. 4 into 10 becomes 40 here. 40 divided by root 3. 40 by root 3 is the answer. X square by 100 plus y square by 400 is equal to 1 here. Therefore A square is 100 here. B square is 400. So it is 10 and 20 here. Obviously A less than B here. Therefore ellipse in this form here. Length on the major axis 22 is 40 and 10 to the 20, length of the minor axis here. Then 1 minus of a square is 100 here, divided by 400. So 400 ones are 400, minus 100 becomes 300 here. 300 divided by 400. Then these two zeros get cancels here. Therefore, eccentricity is equal to root 3 divided by 12. Square root of 4 is 12. Then eccentricity, so foci 0 plus or minus b into e, b value 20 here. So 20 into this means 2 on the 2 tens are 10 root 3 plus or minus here, plus or minus. Okay. Then 2 into b square by length of the letter sector, 2 into a square value 100 here, divided by b value is 20. Then 2 ones are 2 tens are 20 here, 10 ones are 10 tens are 100. Therefore, length of the letter sector is 10 here. Then y is equal to plus or minus b into e. B into e is 10 root 3 here. It is 10 root of 3. Then plus or minus b upon e is like equations of direct axis here. B value 20 here, and e value 22 is 40. 40 divided by root of 3 here. And the coordinates of ends of the letter sector here. So plus or minus a square is 100 here, divided by b square is 20. So right here 20, and b into e is 10 root 3. 10 root 3. Then this is 0 cancels. 2 ones are 2 5s are cancels here. Plus or minus 5 comma 10 root 3 here. Similarly, here plus or minus 5 minus of 10 root 3. And the distance between the foci, 2 into b value 10 root 3 here, 10 to the 20. 20 root of 3. And the equation, distance between direct axis, 2b upon e. Therefore, 2 into, here b value 20 here, and e value root 3 by 2 here. Root 3 by 2. Then 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8 here. Means 80 divided by root of 3. 80 upon root 3. Distance between direct axes. So next equation of ellipse is 36x square plus 4y square is equal to 144 here. Just dividing both sides by 144 here. Therefore 36 x square divided by 144 plus then 4y square divided by 144 is equal to 144 divided by 144 here. Therefore x square divided by 36 ones are 36 4s are here. Then plus, then 4 ones are 4 36 are. So y square divided by 36 is equal to 1 here. Therefore comparing this equation with this equation with x square divided by a square plus y square divided by b square is equal to 1 here. Therefore a square is equal to 4 and b square is equal to 36 here. Then a value is 2 here and b value is 6 here. Therefore obviously here a is less than b, a less than b. Therefore length of the major axis here 6 2s are 12. Length of the main axis 2 into 2 becomes a 4 here. Then eccentricity is given by 1 minus of a square is a 4 here divided by b square is a 36 here. Okay, it is a b square here. B square is equal to 36. Therefore, here 36 LCM here. 36 ones are 36 minus 4 becomes 32 here. Therefore, 32 divided by 36 here. Then 4 7s are 4 8s are here. Then 9s are. Therefore, root of 8 by 9 means 2 root 2 by 3 here. Okay. Therefore, eccentricity is equal to 2 root 2 divided by 3 here. Because if you simplify, you get 8 divided by 9 here. 8 by 9. Square root of 8 is 2 root 2. Square root of 9 becomes 3. So 2 root 2 divided by 3. Then foci 0 plus or minus b value 6 here. Multiply by 6. Therefore 6 into 2 root 2 divided by 3 here. 3 ones are 3 2s are cancels here. 2 2s are 4. So it is 4 root 2. Okay, 6 value is b value. B value 6. E value is this one here. 3 ones are 3 2s are cancelled. 2 2s are 4. So 4 root 2. Then length of the letter circum is 2 into a square value 4 divided by b value 6 here. 2 ones are 2 3s are cancels here. So 4 divided by 3. Then equations of the letter circum b into e. B into e 4 root here. So plus or minus 4 root 2. And the equations of direct axis are plus or minus b upon e. B value 6 here. 6 upon this here. So means 6 divided by 2 root 2 divided by 3 here. 3 goes to numerator here. So 6 into 3 divided by 2 root 2 here. 2 ones are 2 3s are cancels here. 3 3s are 9. 9 by root 2 here. So it is 9 divided by root 2. Okay, b value 6. E value is this one. 3 goes to numerator. 6 into 3 by 2 root 2 here. 2 ones are 2 3s are cancelled. 3 3s are 9 divided by root 2. 9 by root 2. Distance, equations of direct axis here. Then the coordinates of ends of the letter circum here. So plus or minus a square value is 4 and b value of 6 here. And b 4 root 2 is 4 root 2 here. Therefore plus or minus 2 2s are 2 3s are 2 divided by 3 4 root 2 here. So similarly plus or minus 2 divided by 3 minus of 4 root 2. Coordinates of ends of letter circum. Then the distance between the foci 2 into b. You know b is 4 root here. 4 2s are 8. 8 root 2. 8 root 2. Distance between the direct axis here 2 into b value 6 here divided by e value 2 root 2 by 3. 2 root 2 divided by 3. This 2 cancel. 3 to 6 is 18 here. 18 divided by root 2. 18 upon root 2. It gives the distance between the direct axis here.